without paying a single penny. Create a fully 3D animated film with consistent characters and perfect lip sync.
I can't. My voice will shake.
Then let it shake. Shaky brave is still brave.
Why are you following me?
Even for animal characters.
You dropped your small bravely when you answered a math question even though you weren't sure.
In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through a fully tested end-to-end AI animation pipeline that you can use completely for free. I'll show you how to automate the entire process, how to control cinematic camera movements, how to create professional and accurate lip sync, and how to generate voiceovers. And the best part, you won't need to pay for any of the AI tools we're going to use.
I'm Daniel, a 2D and 3D animator.
And I'm Ariana, a video editor and content creator. On this channel, we share our tips, tricks,
And experiences about making animations and videos.
especially with AI.
If you're into that, don't forget to like and subscribe.
It really means a lot to us. First of all, we need to write the story, including dialogue for the characters. To do this, we give ChatGPT a prompt. I've put all of the prompts which are needed for you in the description. ChatGPT then suggests a story, and if you don't like it, you can repeat this process as many times as you want until you find a story you really like. Once we've chosen the story, the next step is to extract the character prompts from it. After that, we move on to generating the characters using Whisk. At this stage, you just need to enter the character prompt, choose the aspect ratio, and hit generate. You can regenerate as many times as you want until you reach the result you're happy with. Now that our main characters, the cat and Mina, are ready, I selected these two, it's time to generate the storyboard. Again, we go back to ChatGPT and ask it to give us the story in 20 scenes, including narration and image prompts. For generating the images, we have two options. The first option is to generate each image one by one using the prompts and character references, which is very time-consuming. The second option is to generate the storyboards automatically. For this, we use Auto Whisk. Download it, easily install it on Google Chrome, and open it. Then change the language to English and select version 7.6. We've explained how to use Auto Whisk in more detail in another video. You can check it out, and I've put the link up here. To enter the prompt list, we go back to ChatGPT and ask it to organize all the image prompts in order. Then simply copy and paste them into this section. Immediately, you'll see that it automatically prepares all 20 storyboards for you. Next, you choose the aspect ratio and the number of images to generate simultaneously. In this section, you can also add references for characters, scenes, and styles, along with their names. Then hit Start, and it begins generating. You'll see that each image is automatically downloaded as it's created. If there's any image you don't like, you can regenerate it, or you can go back to the normal method I mentioned earlier and generate it directly in Whisk. These are the final results, and they're now ready for video generation. For the next step, which is video generation, we use Grok. If you'd like to automate the video generation part as well, we've explained the entire process step by step in another video, and I've linked it right up here for you. Working with Grok is very simple. First, we upload the image, and then for the video prompts, we go back to ChatGPT. We ask it to give us Grok-compatible prompts for each shot, including camera movements. For any scene that has dialogue, we also ask it to include the dialogue directly inside the prompt. This way, it gives us 20 prompts. We copy and paste the prompt for the first scene, and this is the result. This one doesn't have any dialogue. Grok usually adds music and sound effects by default, but if you write and emphasize no music, no sound effects in the prompt, it won't add them. Let's move on to a scene with dialogue. We upload the image and paste the prompt. Here's an important tip. Since the scene includes dialogue, make sure to write no music, no sound effects in the prompt so that only the character's voice is included in the video. This is very important for the next step, and it doesn't matter what voice Grok initially uses for the character. This is the result.
I can't. My voice will shake.
In my opinion, the camera movement turned out great, and even the lip sync looks really good.
Then let it shake. Shaky brave is still brave.
We repeat this process for all the shots. Next, move on to generating the narration and dialogues. I've already organized and separated all of them here. For this part, we use ElevenLabs. I've put the link in the description. If you click it, you'll be taken directly to this page, and as soon as you sign up, you get 10,000 free credits. First, generate the character dialogues for lip sync. We go to the voice changer section and upload the scene video.
I can't. My voice will shake.
Then choose a voice. You can search and use filters here.
I'm so glad you stopped by.
Hey there, friends!
Com toque de sua varinha mágica.
Hi, my name is ElevenLabs.
I selected this voice for the young girl character and clicked generate. This is the result, and it perfectly matches the timing and tone of the original video.
I can't. My voice will shake.
We do the same thing for the grandmother.
Then let it shake. Shaky brave is still brave.
And this is for the cat character. Here you can enable this option to remove background noise for better results and adjust these settings until you get the outcome you want. Then we upload the scene and hit generate.
Because you dropped something.
Because you dropped something.
You can see how Grok originally applied a female voice for the lip sync and how well ElevenLabs converted it into the male voice I chose.
You dropped your small bravely.
You dropped your small bravely.
We repeat this process for all dialogue scenes, and then we move on to narration. In the text-to-speech section, we select the voice we want.
Changed her. It was the quiet afterward.
Copy and paste the text, and hit generate. This is the result.
Every morning, Mina walked past the tall blue school gate. On this particular Monday, Mina had to read her story out loud to the class.
In the final step, we move into CapCut. Import all the shots and voice files, arrange the scenes on the timeline, add the narration, and carefully sync the lip sync audio with the videos. Wherever needed, add transitions, and at the end, you can even add music from the YouTube library or copyright-free music websites. Let's watch the final result, and until next time, stay creative.
Every morning, Mina walked past the tall blue school gate, her stomach fluttering whenever something new awaited her. On this particular Monday, Mina had to read her story out loud to the class. She whispered to her grandmother at breakfast.
I can't. My voice will shake.
Then let it shake. Shaky brave is still brave.
Mina wasn't so sure. On her way to school, a small orange cat with a crooked tail followed Mina, his bright gold eyes full of secrets. Mina stopped, and she asked,
Why are you following me?
Because you dropped something.
The cat blinked slowly. Mina checked her backpack and said,
Did I?
The cat said,
You dropped your small bravely.
Mina looked puzzled. There, glowing faintly like a firefly, was a tiny golden spark. Curious, Mina picked it up. It felt warm.
That's from last week.
The cat flicked his tail toward the sidewalk and explained,
When you answered a math question even though you weren't sure. Every time you do something scary, you leave a small bravely behind. They don't disappear, you just forget to see them.
By the time Mina reached the blue school gate, her steps were steady and her heart felt stronger than ever. At the classroom door, she hesitated. The tiny bird in her stomach fluttered again. When it was her turn to read, her hands trembled. Her voice wobbled at first, and as she read, she imagined the golden sparks rising, floating around her like warm, glowing stars. After school, Mina knelt by the blue gate, gently petting the orange cat. She smiled, realizing some courage doesn't disappear. It stays with you.